to share my review of the book Think Like a Monk. First, about the author. This book is written by Jay Shetty, who was born in London to Indian parents. After his college, he decided to live a few years in India as a monk and to learning discipline, meditation and spiritual practices. After that, he returned to his modern life where he shared his experiences, wisdom through talks, podcasts and books. Now coming to the book itself, Think Like a Monk. It's a self-help book where the Jay Shetty provides his information that he had the experience with as a monk in India. When I started to read this book, I have found out that the main strength of this book is its clarity. It's very simple in language and it's free to read everyone. It's my first time reading a self-help book, but when I start to read, it is very simple in language and it's I feel approachable, and also it has very simple in structure form. It has the main 3 parts. It has 11 chapters and it has 3 main parts. First one is let go, then grow, then give. So I will describe the 3 parts. First one is let go. Let go means he's saying that we should let it go, the negative energy, the negativity. We should identify the negativity in ourselves. Ego, fear, judgment, we have all that negative energy in ourselves. So we should identify that negativity and we should avoid that. That's the first phase. Then second one is grow. Grow means we are developing our mind. We should understand our mind, the inner self, and we should grow. We should develop that mind. The third one is give. When we have every knowledge and everything in ourselves, we can't live full of happiness. So we should find that happiness by giving or helping others. Then only we can find that happiness in ourselves. That's the 3 main parts of this book. And coming to this, and I asked myself after reading this book, why is this important in this today's life? So I got the answer that this book is today's world full of constant competitions, technology and advancements, stress, everything. We reach for stress-free and balance, right? So this book also helps us to give that stress-free balance things, because this book provides that helping monk principles. Jay Shetty is providing that complex monk principles into simple life experiences. And the main part of the book is I already mentioned that it is so simple in language, so we can use it in our daily life, in our normal daily life, and so it is relevant in our contemporary life also. Then what is also the book provides us the guidelines and the how to understand the our value, not the others' expectations, needs and all. We always seek for others' validation, right? So we need to adapt to ourselves and we need to know the inner selves, the inner peace. That's the main theme of the book. And also, I am also a beginner in yoga elective. I can connect that yoga with this self-help book. How it is that the yoga also train us to find out our mind and our inner peace and our body and all. So this book also help us to know our emotions and thoughts. So I can connect that yoga and this book. And also I also recommend yoga and this book to everyone. This book is very motivating and simple book. I will recommend this book to everyone. Thank you.